So, an average velocity question. So, the position of a car after t minutes driving in a straight line is given by this equation. And the interval is between 0 and 4 minutes. Because s is measured in miles, and that's the distance, and t is measured in minutes, which is the time. Approximate the velocity at time where t is 2. So, it's going to be at 2 minutes. So to find the average velocity, so I'm just going to write that here, velocity, and we're going to find the average. So to find the average velocity, this is going to be the difference of our functions, and this is going to be where the interval is our a and our b value. So we're going to compare, but we're going to look at this, and I'm going to change our f to s because our equation here is using s. Okay, so let's have a look what we need. So our interval is going to be between 2 and 4. So let's have a look. So what we need to do first, so when we have b is 4, and then our other function is going to be a, and this is going to be 4 minus 2. So this is going to be our average velocity. Right, so the second stage, we're going to substitute the equation. So if we put this into the equation, we're going to have half t squared. So 4 is going to go in instead of t. So we're going to have a half 4 squared minus a 12th of 4 cubed. And then we've got our second function, which is the value of 2. So we're going to minus, and then we're going to put this in. So we've got a half, and this time we're going to use 2 squared minus a 12th 2 cubed. And this is divided by 4 minus 2, which is 2. So now we just need to simplify this. So the average velocity. So half of 8. So we've got 4 times 2, so it's 16. So that's going to be 8. So 8 minus, and then we've got a 12th of 64. Just leave that as, so that's going to be 8 over 3. Let's leave that as that a second. So a 12th of 64. So that's going to be a fraction. Oh. And then we have half of 4, which is 2, and we're going to leave this as so. And a 12th of 8. And this is all divided by 2. So if we put this into the calculator, we'll have 0.66. It's recurring, so 7. So this is miles per minute. Now, when we're talking about miles, we normally talk about miles per hour or kilometers per hour. We don't talk about miles per minute. So we need to multiply this. Now there's 60 minutes in an hour, so we're going to multiply by 60. So then this is going to give us 40 miles per hour. So the average velocity is going to be 40 miles per hour.